GO-2 helps smallsat and microsat providers meet FCC requirements. Recently, the FCC put out active deorbiting requirements, which require those operators of smallsat constellations and constellations overall to have appropriate propulsion to perform an active deorbiting maneuver within 5 years of the end of a mission for a spacecraft. So GO-2 provides the necessary thrust and performance to meet that regulatory requirement. So that's an important point. A second important point is GO-2 leverages a highly reliable technology called field emission electric propulsion. And what this means is those operators who are leveraging spacecraft which adopt GO-2 can confidently lean upon that propulsion technology to perform station keeping, orbit raising, collision avoidance, and deorbiting maneuvers throughout the course of their entire mission. In addition, GO-2 is a scalable and reliable propulsion system, meaning that companies that are scaling out constellations can reliably depend on not only the quality and the performance of the system, but also the availability. So we've scaled out production to enable for these propulsion technologies to be available to our customers with 3 to 6 month lead times. This is unprecedented in the industry. This means that propulsion is no longer the bottleneck in developing a satellite deployment plan. Now we can start to provide propulsion systems to our customers on timelines that they've never seen before.